So I'm a future trainee at an international law firm, and I've also both failed and passed assessment centres, so I thought I'd share some tips with you about what worked for me. So number one, read through what you're given. It's basically instructions. It tells you what to do. It tells you what the layout of your day is going to be. It's important that you understand that and you know what you're going to be doing so that you can prepare in the best way possible. I would also talk to trainees if you can. So I messaged trainees at the firm I went to on LinkedIn, and I found that that gave me something more to talk about, but also gave me even more of an insight into what the firm does and what trainees do. I would understand your answers to basic questions such as why law and why the firm. Obviously, don't script those answers because that can become off really stilted, but it's really useful to at least understand your answers to those questions so that if you're asked, you can be able to tell the interviewer immediately or tell someone on the assessment centre immediately, and it doesn't have to be like a really drawn out long thing. I would practice speaking beforehand. At an assessment centre, you're likely to be doing a presentation or a group exercise or a case study or the interview. So I would definitely recommend practicing speaking in a group. Make sure you're able to articulate your points clearly but concisely. I would also dress professionally, but also wear something that makes you feel good or makes you feel comfortable. So for example, I always wear chunky shoes. So I wore professional shoes, but chunky shoes because that's what made me feel comfortable. So I didn't have to be thinking about, oh, I'm so uncomfortable, I really hate what I'm wearing or anything like that. I would recommend working with the people on your assessment centre. So obviously you're all trying to get the same places at the firm, but it shows that you're collaborative and it shows you can do teamwork even in high pressure situations. And finally, I'd say don't slack on your commercial awareness. I remember something that I looked at the day before my assessment centre interview was something that I mentioned in the interview. So it's really useful to keep up to date with your commercial awareness.